If you're facing the invalid SIM issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video, I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to Settings, then tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on About. Now from here, just wait for 30 seconds to a minute, and if you have a carrier update available, it will show a pop-up on the screen which asks you to update the carrier settings of your iPhone. Just tap on Update and you will update the carrier settings. Now after you do that, then just scroll down and look for the option of Carrier Lock. Now if it says SIM locked, then just contact your SIM card provider and ask them to unlock your iPhone. And by doing that, you will fix the invalid SIM issue. But if your iPhone is not SIM locked, then just follow the next method. For that, just open the Control Center, then open the Connection section in the Control Center. Then tap on the Airplane Mode icon and turn it on. Now just wait for a few seconds, then tap on the Airplane Mode icon and turn it off. And by doing that, you will do a quick network refresh on your iPhone. And after you've done that, then just check if this fixes your issue or not. But if this also did not work, then just remove the SIM card out of your iPhone, then insert it back in. And also try to use another SIM card because sometimes the issue can be in your SIM card. Now if you're using an eSIM, just go to Settings, and under Settings just tap on Cellular Data. And from here, if you have set up an eSIM, it will be shown right here. Just tap on the name of your eSIM, then tap on Delete or Remove. After you remove your eSIM, just add it back into your iPhone. After you do that, then just go to your home screen and perform a force restart on your iPhone. For that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button on your iPhone until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the side button. Now once the force restart process is completed, then just go to your home screen and just check if this fixes your issue or not. If this did not fix your issue, then just open Settings and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just tap on VPN and Device Management, and from here just check if you have any VPN network connected to your iPhone or not. Now if you have a VPN network connected to your iPhone, just remove it from here. And after you do that, then just go back, and under the General Settings, just tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset, and from here just select Reset Network Settings. Then enter your lock screen PIN, and tap on Reset Network Settings. Now by resetting the network settings, you will not delete any data of your iPhone. You will just reset all the network related settings of your iPhone. Once this process is completed, then just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done all that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix invalid SIM issue on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.